Avengers, we need to protect this hammer at all costs. There's robots patrolling. We need to make sure they do not get it. We need to get Thanos' Infinity Stones.
The end.
They're on the right, guys. I got it! Hold you, protect it! Cover! I'm always careful, Strange.
Like a rocket on the screen, bro. I'm right behind you.
I'm already low.
That gun! I want that gun!
Bring that gun to hold and then combat run!
I'm the music! I'm the weapon!
I do want to taste the captain! Cap, be careful! No! So we're not anywhere. Oh, you legend walk. One track.
Oh! You do have the hammer! Straight! They took your cane! Straight in there! Straight right there! Straight there! I'm loading it up!
Let me get back in the bottom!
I'm not know what's gonna be! No! We need to protect face! No hope! Oh, you got no ammo!
What for, Mr. Robot?
You're gonna take Thanos out, Hulk!
Oh, take Thanos! Hulk, now would be a really good time to get angry. You're just a scared, strong titan is what you are! That's what you are, you're just scared!
Hold this down, Arun, keep this! Hold this down, hold this down! Well done, my minions. We've eliminated the Avengers. Ha 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 ha.